Data is powerful, and with your brand pack built on high level, you'll have the insights you need to grow smarter. So connecting your Google business profile, your analytics, and all your ads data, it puts everything you need to track right there at your fingertips. I'm going to guide you through the steps to integrate these tools so that you can make decisions backed by data that builds your business. It's time to get strategic. Let's jump in.
All right, to connect some of these other data sources like Google Analytics or your ads or your Google business profile, you're going to come to settings and then over here to integrations. Okay, so now you'll see in our previous video, we attached my test account through Google. And because it's connected, it's going to now say, hey, is there an analytics account shared with this email? Now I don't have one shared, but if I did, you could select that account and then you could select the property and connect it. So if you're logged in and you don't see that, you'll want to make sure, does this email have access to the analytics account that I'm trying to connect? And the same thing if you have an AdWords account shared with this email address. And again, if you know you have AdWords or you have an analytics account, but you're not seeing it, go into your analytics dashboard and then to settings and basically give this email access to that account. Same thing for your ads. That's how you do those. Then you'd click, you'd connect them. You can also sign in with a different Google account if you realize, oh, this isn't what I wanted to use to connect these things. Now, Google Business Profile, same thing. You can connect it. It's going to go in here and it's going to try and find that, though, again, just like I said, based on that email, which you're going to see, hey, it doesn't have one in here. Now, if it did, you could select those and connect them. I'm going to hit close, but again, because my Google Business Profile for my business is not shared with this email address. So if you kind of like what just happened there, you don't see it show up, that's probably the problem. You can also, when you connect your Facebook account, that's going to connect your Facebook ads. And so all of these different things, let's come back over here, they populate the dashboard. And we showed some of this in another video and we'll catch it in some more of ours in the future, but you can customize this whole dashboard. You can create new widgets in here if you want. But down here at the bottom, you'll see, hey, I got my Google Analytics report, I got my Google Business Profile, my Facebook ads, my Google ads. All of these are part of your dashboard, so you don't have to go log into different places to see them, but they only work when you do what I was just showing you and connect those data sources so that it can populate your dashboard, which is really helpful as you navigate the process of launching and growing your business.
Hey, thanks for watching. These videos, they're designed for those who have a better story marketing brand pack built on high level that helps you make the most of your marketing system. Now, if you don't have a brand pack yet, no worries. Just check out the link down in the description and you can grab yours today. It gives you everything you need to grow your business smarter, faster, and easier and get things up and running in days, not weeks or months. But if you prefer to build it all from scratch, we've got you covered there too. The other link down in the description will let you just sign up for a simple high-level account without the brand pack so that you can just start building things on your own. But if this video is helpful, please make sure to hit that like button to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tips. We're here to help you launch and grow the kind of business that you want to own. I'll see you in the next video.